Have you ever wondered about the mysterious origins of a classic British dish? Today, we're diving into the savory world of bangers and mash. Let's address the elephant in the room. What exactly are bangers and why are they getting mashed? But first, subscribe and become a member of our growing community. Our story begins in the bustling streets of 18th century England, where the aroma of sizzling sausages filled the air, masking a deeper mystery yet to be uncovered. Picture this, a foggy London evening with vendors hawking their wares on every corner. Among them, a peculiar sight catches your eye, a vendor peddling sausages with a warning, "Beware the bangers." But why the cautionary tale? Rumors spread like wildfire through the cobblestone alleys, whispering of sausages so volatile they could make a grown man jump out of his trousers. Tales of fiery explosions and runaway bangers haunted the imaginations of Londoners far and wide. Fast forward to the trenches of World War I, where soldiers huddled around campfires cooking up rations of sausages to ward off the chill of the night. Little did they know they were about to face an unexpected foe, the infamous banger. With their high water content, these sausages were ticking time bombs ready to explode at the slightest provocation. Imagine the chaos as soldiers scrambled for cover, their sausages sizzling and popping like mini fireworks displays. It was a culinary catastrophe of epic proportions, giving rise to the term banger and forever cementing its place in the annals of food history. And so the mystery of the bangers unfolds, revealing a tale of danger, daring, and deliciousness. But fear not, dear viewers, for the bangers of today are far less likely to send you ducking for cover. As we delve deeper into the culinary enigma of bangers and mash, we uncover the delightful union between two seemingly ordinary ingredients, sausages and mashed potatoes. But what makes this pairing so special? Let's peel back the layers and uncover the secrets hidden beneath the surface. Picture this, a steaming mound of creamy mashed potatoes nestled next to plump, juicy sausages, all smothered in a rich onion gravy. It's a sight that warms the soul and tantalizes the taste buds. But what is it about mashed potatoes that makes them the perfect companion to bangers? For centuries, mashed potatoes have been a staple in British cuisine, prized for their simplicity and versatility. Whether whipped into a fluffy cloud of goodness or left with a bit of texture, mashed potatoes provide the perfect canvas for a variety of flavors and toppings. But it's not just their adaptability that makes mashed potatoes a match made in heaven for bangers. The creamy texture and subtle flavor of mashed potatoes serve as the ideal foil to the robust, meaty taste of sausages. It's a harmonious balance of flavors and textures that leaves you craving more with every bite. And let's not forget the role of onion gravy, that savory elixir that brings the entire dish together in perfect harmony. With its rich, umami flavor and silky smooth consistency, onion gravy adds depth and complexity to the humble banger and mash, elevating it from mere comfort food to a culinary masterpiece. Now that we've uncovered the tantalizing tale of bangers and mash, it's time to render our final judgment. Is this iconic dish worthy of its place in culinary history, or should it be relegated to the annals of forgotten recipes? Let's weigh the evidence and deliver our verdict. As we reflect on the journey we've taken through the explosive origins of bangers and the harmonious marriage of sausages and mashed potatoes, one thing becomes abundantly clear. Bangers and mash are more than just a meal. They're a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of British cuisine, a comforting embrace that transcends time and place. But what about the naysayers, those who turn up their noses at the humble banger and dismiss it as mere peasant food? To them, I say, you're missing out on one of life's greatest pleasures. For bangers and mash are not just sustenance for the body, they're nourishment for the soul, a reminder of simpler times and the power of comfort food to soothe the spirit. In my humble opinion, bangers and mash deserve a place of honor at the table, alongside other culinary classics like roast beef and fish and chips. And there you have it, folks, the tantalizing tale of bangers and mash, from its explosive origins to its enduring legacy on dinner tables around the world. So, the next time you're craving a taste of history, why not whip up a batch of this classic comfort food? That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious stories from the annals of food history. Until next time, keep on cooking and savoring the flavors of the past.